Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to download WhatsApp photos to phone gallery, and now let's dive right in. Now to download WhatsApp photos and images to phone gallery, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and over here there is the settings option available for us just below the start messages. Tap on settings, and over here again you can see the chats for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here you can see there is the media visibility option available for us over here, which is just below the enter is sent, and there is the toggle icon at the right side of it. And if it's turned off, your photos and images from on your WhatsApp which were sent to you won't be downloaded. But if you turn it on, it also says so newly downloaded media in your devices gallery, which means that guys, the photos and images on your WhatsApp will be downloaded on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to download WhatsApp photos and images to phone gallery. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.